Hi everybody, Rita here with GmaReezScrapShack. Oh, I just stepped on this with my bare foot. That hurt. Sorry. Anyway, I'm here to show finally here to show the scrappy quilt journal that I made for my mom's best friend when she was a little girl. It's mostly blue, you know, so let's get in it and show you. Everybody already saw a sneak peek of what it looked like when I first started, because I kind of had it together. I just needed to decorate it a little more. So in the front pocket, I used an alteration tag that I got from Denise's shop. And this is from Elsie Bell's bookshelf. It's a digital for some tags. It's super cute. And I just wrote in here in my own handwriting, "May your unfailing love be my comfort according to your promise." And that's a verse in the Bible in Psalms. Yeah, a little bit of this pom-pom trim here. This is the digital that I made of that piece of quilt I made last week. This is a picture of my mom and her best friend from school. Aren't they so cute? She went out to visit her, I think, a couple of years ago. This is my mom and this is Sharon. So I put their picture behind this little frame I made the other day. And then it's got this little index card and an envelope. The envelope is another one of the digis from Elsie Bell's bookshelf. I think it's the butterfly one. And I just put "Friendship is the sweetest flower." She can journal in here, or she can glue it shut and put a little note in there if she wants to. Everything's coffee stained in here. I love to make my coffee stained paper. Let's see, I think I had this like that. I wanted that cute little blue flower to show right there. I just stamped "Remember." And then on this side, it's got some more of the Raggedy Ann and Andy digital that I got off of Etsy. And I will definitely, here's another little envelope from Elsie Bell's bookshelf. Butterfly one, I think. Both of these are so cute. I love Ellie's Etsy shop for digitals. This is just some mermaid paper that I made. And a doily. This cute little Raggedy Andy. I made it where it would flip up and she could do some hidden journaling right here. "Trust in the Lord with all your heart." Stamp. Cute little book here. This was a cute Happy Mail somebody sent me. It said, "Things to do: break vase, blame dog." I thought that was so cute. I put some tabs on here. I think I did 3 in the blue color and I did 3 in the brown. So they've got some oddball tabs, you know, on there. I like the shabby look of it. And here's another flip up. This is just some notepad that I got at Tuesday Mornings, I think, and it's coffee stained. And then this is that digital with Raggedy Andy and Ann. This was just a piece of scrap paper that was turned into some mermaid paper. Index card, coffee stained. Oh, and this cute little tiny punch. Thank you. My sweet friend sent me that. Oh, I love it too. And you know what? She said they don't make it anymore, but it's the Paper Studio and it's a tiny little heart. Oh my gosh. She sent that to me just because I loved it so much. Thank you, Carrie. Carrie Kale. What a doll. She's such a doll. I appreciate her friendship so much. It's so funny how, you know, we think we got to have everything. And of course, you know, I didn't have to have it, but she wanted me to have it. And I thought that was so sweet of her. This is a sweet little envelope from Elsie Bell's bookshelf too. And what I did was I stamped frogs in it. And I put "Forever rely on God," because when I see a frog, that's what I always think of. And on the inside, I saw this quote. I think it was on Facebook or somebody had posted it. And I don't have the stamp, so I wrote it. "Friends are the fruitcake of our lives. Some are nutty, some are soaked in alcohol, some firm, some sweet, but all together they are great to have in your life." And I thought that was so cute. So I just put little frogs and thistle on here. Some little flowers. She can glue this shut, or she can leave it open and do some journaling in here. I just put that in there. And I had it right behind here because I thought that was pretty. These are some more of Ellie's digitals, and I'm not sure which one that is, but I think it's Spring something. It's got a little bumblebee there. I thought it was so cute. Index card, and this is one of the Raggedy Ann dolls I made for one of my sweet friends on Facebook. She got this one, and it's so stinking cute, and she loves it. She posted a picture of it the other day, so that's what made me want to put it in here. A couple of, you know, little pockets right here, and another index card. This had a little bit of an image from the botanicals, so I stuck that on there. I want to try to make this really fast because I don't want it to be a boring flip, you know. But I promised my mom that I would make the video, and I keep making more things to add to this darn thing, and I thought, you know what, I just need to stop because I mean, I know she's gonna love it no matter what because she's such a sweet person. And excuse me, excuse me, the air just came on, and I guess that blew some dust up my nose because I just sneezed. I turned my head that way just in case anybody's wondering. I would never sneeze on a book. Yeah, so I think it turned out super cute, and I love it. This came from Carrie Kale. She sent me this sweet little bag, and she had already stamped on it, and all I did was make a little tag for it and stuck it in there for the second signature cover. And here's a flip up corner pocket, lots of little spots to journal, and another little notepad. You know, I guess, I don't know what they call these little crazy notepads, but it's just using your scraps of paper, and I think they're so cute. So I've been doing that to fill up the pockets lately. This is this was a freebie. I thought it was so pretty, and it went really good with this green. That's why I stuck it here. This was just a piece of scrap I had when I had my sewing machine oiled and tested and all that. This came back with it, and so I stuck it in here as a tab. This is another one of Ellie's digitals from Elsie Bell's bookshelf. I'll link everything, like I said, because I've got so many things I get all confused sometimes with, you know, where they come from. But it says Believe. This little pocket says God is Love, and it was from one of the Raggedy Ann and Andy digitals. This was a tag I made a long time ago when I was learning how to copy my friend Hermie from Hermelinda. It's a Hermelinda tag, but as you can tell, it's been stamped on and then, you know, grunged up, so it's probably used as a background, but I used it as a tag in here because I thought it was cute. This is another little notepad I have. It's been coffee stained, so I just folded it in half and stuck it right here because I love the little bird. I thought that was cute. This just says Amazing Grace. Another little pocket. This was on a page out of a book that has Bible verses on it. Made another little cute little tag note, a notebook, I guess, with scraps. Put a little mouse right there, and I put Remember. Another little pocket right here. Another one right here. I just think they're so stinking cute. So this is Elsie Bell's bookshelf too. I just thought this turned out so cute, and I kept telling my mom, I'm going to make the video, I'm going to make the video, and then, you know, it took me forever to make it. But faith does not make things easy, it makes them possible. Just a flip up with a cute little pocket right here. And I scrap lifted this from my friend Carrie Kale because she made me one recently in my Happy Meal, and I just thought it was so stinking cute I had to make some myself. So I only had 4 bags, and I mermaid papered them by, you know, using inks and my little powder miracles or whatever they call those little things. They're so cute. I just love them. And I sewed the bags together and put a little piece of lace there, and then I stamped them, and I put little tags in there long enough to fit in, and I used all the different scraps. I always have these little scraps, you know, from when I'm doing a quilt, so I save them because each one of them made a tie for these, and I thought that was super cute. So that just tucks in right there. And this page has a piece of lace and some foam roses with some of that, you know, little leaf ribbon, and a ladybug. I think this came from Mary. Mary Flower sent me a couple of these, and it's a little place, you know, like a bookmark. So it was so cute, but I just stuck it right there, and she can use it if she wants to. I wish you happy days made of love and flowers. This is another corner flip with lots of little places to journal, with a little spot to put some tags. Favorite memories. Stuck those right there. And this book belongs to Sharon Adams. Sharon, I hope you like it. I also made her this, and you know, this is those little font cards I was telling you that I make, and I changed it to Junk Journals. Junk Journal Makers are a wonderful breed of creative thinkers, and I put some of my favorite stamps on there, and then I shrunk it down to where I could make it like for a little note. So it says, Dear Sharon, my sweet mama purchased this junk journal for you from my Etsy shop. I love to make these in my spare time. Hope you love it and will write in it. Sending you big love and hugs, Rita Donnelly. Yeah, that's for my mom's friend that lives in Missouri. I hope she likes it. I had a lot of fun making this. Oh, and my friend Michelle helped me put to tell me like what I should put on the spine, because I thought it looked a little plain. And she said, Rita, what about the doilies I sent you? And I said, yeah, you're right. It looks so beautiful now. So I just, you know, sewed them on while I was talking to her this morning. And I think they look really cute. It's very shabby, you know, very raggedy. So this is the raggedy quilt, and it has some Raggedy and Mandy in it. And it's got a lot of faith in it and prayers for my mom's sweet friend. Thanks for watching, everybody. Talk to you soon.